Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition. The lessons we're going to cover today are related addition facts, addition sentences true or false, add a one digit number to a two digit number without regrouping, regroup tens and ones ways to make a number. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we are on right now is addition. Let's just start with the lesson that is related addition facts. Let's just start with the lesson, which is a related addition fact for 6 plus 0. The first thing we need to learn over here is what are the related addition facts. So the related addition facts are the sentences, either addition sentences or subtraction sentences. The numbers, all the three numbers in exactly both the sentences exactly same, just their positions are swapped. Like here you have 6 plus 0 equals 6. So the one in which the positions are swapped is 0 plus 6 equals 6. The numbers are exactly same. They are 0 plus 6 equals 6. So they are 6 plus 0 equals 6 or 0 plus 6 equals 6. They are the related addition facts. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is the related addition fact for 4 plus 3 equals 7? So which is the related addition fact? There are 3 plus 4 equals 7. Option number C is the correct option, right? They have the same numbers, just the position of these two numbers are swapped. So that is 3 plus 4 equals 7. Which is the related addition fact for 3 plus 7 equals 10? So which is the correct option? That is option number 1, 7. Option number A, 7 plus 3 equals 10 is the related addition fact. In which is the related addition fact for 5 plus 1 equals 6? So the correct option is that is option number A. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Option A is the correct option. Which is the related addition fact for 2 plus 4 equals 6? That is 4 plus 2 equals 6. Option number C is the correct option. That is 4 plus 2 equals 6. Which is the related addition fact for 3 plus 6 equals 9? Which is the correct option? Option B is the correct option. That is 6 plus 3 equals 9. Two plus 8, option C is the correct option. Which is the related addition fact for 8 plus 2 equals 10? So which is the correct option? That is option number C is the correct option. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Which is the related addition fact for 1 plus 9 equals 10? Option C is the correct option. That is 9 plus 1 equals 10. Which is the related addition fact for 0 plus 4 equals 4? That is 4 plus 0. Option D is the correct option. Which is the relation fact for 6 plus 0 equals 6? That is 0 plus 6. Option D is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition sentences true or false. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 4 equals 2 and 1 plus 4 equals 5. So let's just add which is the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. So option 2 is the correct option. That is true. The first one is false. Let's just start with the test questions. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 3 equals 4 and 2 plus 2 equals 5. Which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option because 1 plus 3 equals 4, right? So option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 2 plus 2 equals 3. So which is the correct option? So you have to just add and see which one is the correct one. So when you add 2 plus 3 makes 5, but 2 plus 2 is not 3. Option 1 is true. The second one is false. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 plus 3 equals 5. That is option 2, right? Here this is the first one, but option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 4 equals 2, 1 plus 4 equals 5, which is the correct option? That is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 3 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 1 equals 3. The correct option is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 plus 1 equals 4 and 4 plus 1 equals 5. The correct option is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 2 plus 3 equals 2 and 3 plus 1 equals 4. The correct option is option number 1, that is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 equals 3 and 2 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Which sentence is true? 3 plus 2 equals 3 and 3 plus 2 equals 5, which is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 3 plus 2 equals 5. Which sentence is true? 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 1 equals 4. That is 2 plus 2 equals 4 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 4 plus 1 equals 5 and 3 plus 1 equals 3. That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add a one digit number to a two digit number without regrouping. So let's just start with the first one, that is add 11 plus 1. So you have to add the first thing. We are going to start with adding the ones. So 1 plus 1 makes 2, and then you have to the tens. You keep the 10 as it is because you do not have any digit right below the 10. So that is 11 plus 1 equals 12. The correct option is 12. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 13 plus 2. So which is the correct option? So you have to start adding from the tens, ones, sorry. You have to add 3 plus 2, so 3 plus 2 makes 5. And you have to write down the tens as it is because you don't have any digit right below the tens, so that is 13. 13 plus 2 makes 15. The correct option is 15. 15 plus 3. So start adding the digits that are at the ones position. 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 makes 8. So you have 8 and you need to bring the tens as it is because you do not have any digit right there. So that is 13 plus 5 is 18. The correct option is option number 2, that is 18. 16 plus 3, which is the correct option. Start adding the digits that are at the ones position. So you have to add 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 makes. Six plus 3 makes 9. You have to bring the tens digit as it is, so that is 19. The correct option is 19. The correct option is 19. Option number 2 is the correct option. Eleven plus 7, which is the correct option. Start adding the ones. That is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and keep the tens as it is. So that makes 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 18. 10 plus 9, which is the correct option. That is 19. Option number 2 is the correct option. 15 plus 3, which is the correct option. 'Start adding the ones. So 5 plus 3 makes, that's again the same. 18. 15 plus 3 is 18. The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. 18 it is. 11 plus 1, which is the correct option. The correct option is 12. Option number 4 is the correct option. 12 plus 5, which is the correct option? 17, it is option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Regroup tens and ones ways to make a number. 95 is 9 tens plus 5 ones, which is another way to make 45. Make 95. So you have to make 95. You are given two of the options. You have to see which is the correct option. 8 tens and 15 ones. 8 tens means you have 80 and 15 ones. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 8 and 1 is 9. So the correct option is 8 tens plus 5 ones. The correct option is 95. Let's just start with the test questions. 95 is 9 tens plus 5 ones, which is another way to make 95. You have to make 95. So that's the one we just did. 8 tens means 80 and 15 ones when you add that makes 95. So option number A is the correct option. The correct option is A. 91 is 9 tens plus 1 ones, which is another way to make 91. So we have to find another way to make 91, right? So you're given four of the options. 8 tens plus 1. 8 tens means 80 and plus 1 makes 81. That isn't the correct option, right? Now 7 tens and 11 ones. 7 tens is 70 and 11 ones makes 81. That is also not the correct one. 1 10 and 9 ones makes 19. 8 tens is 80 and 11 ones. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the correct option is the last one. 8 tens and 11 ones is the correct option. The correct option is 8 tens and 11 ones. Eighty-three is 8 tenths plus 3. The correct option is option number 7 tens and 13 ones makes 83. The correct option is 7 tens and 13 ones. Option 3 is the correct option. Ninety-six is 9 tens plus 6 ones, which is another way to make 96. 8 tens plus 19 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Oh, that is 8 tens plus 16 ones. Option number 4 is the correct option. Sorry. 67 is 6 tens plus 7 ones, which is another way to make 67. 5 tens plus 17 ones. Option number D is the correct option. That is 5 tens and 17 ones. 40 is 4 tens plus 0 ones, which is another way to make 40. That is 3 tens plus 10 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is option 3 tens plus 10 ones is the correct option. We were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is addition. Now we're working on the last lesson of the chapter addition, that is regroup tens and ones, ways to make a number, and we're finished with the lesson. 92 is 9 tens plus 2 ones, which is another way to make 92. 92 is 9 tens plus 2 ones. So the correct option is 8 tens plus 12 ones. We are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is addition. The lessons we have covered today are related addition facts, addition sentences true or false, add a one digit number to a two digit number without regrouping, regroup tens and ones, ways to make a number. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you have any question, you can please write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the